Hey travelers, welcome to Dreams to Life Travel, and today we're going to do a very quick room tour of a 2-queen room here at the AC Hotel by Marriott Miami Wynwood. Now, if you're one of my subscribers, you know I usually don't talk over my room tours, but because it's so short and sweet, I just want to give you a little background and also my opinion on this stay. So let's get right into it. All right, so first impressions walking into the room is that it was very modern, sleek, clean, and well placed. And what I mean by well placed is that I didn't have to go looking for anything in this hotel room. So again, it was a 2-queen room. It can sleep up to 4 adults, but I didn't have to kind of go looking for anything that we may have needed in the room. So as you saw when we first walked in, it had the ironing board, the iron, the safe, and the refrigerator like all in one place, but it wasn't crowded. It was still tastefully done so that it still had a nice, beautiful, sleek look. The bathroom had one sink, but plenty of counter space, perfect lighting. The shower was huge. AC Hotel's vibe is really modern and just a beautiful, aesthetically pleasing to the eye. And I'm glad that we went with this location for our stay. One thing I also really loved was the views here once I went up to the rooftop. So AC Hotel, they really are about that rooftop vibe and getting those incredible views. And I mean, look at that. So just to give you a context of where we're located, when I arrived in at Miami Airport, the Uber drive from the airport to this hotel was about 8 minutes. And then the drive from the hotel to the Port of Miami where we got on our cruise was 10 minutes. So to me, a great location. Be mindful though when you're booking that this is near the Port of Miami, not the port in Fort Lauderdale, not near Fort Lauderdale Airport. Those are 2 different locations. So definitely take that into consideration. But back to the rooftop. So the rooftop has a couple of things up here. As you see, all the beautiful loungers and day beds, but it comprises of the pool area. It has a bar area, the fitness center is at the top, and then behind the fitness center and the pool is a patio-like area where the green AstroTurf kind of fills up the space there. And I think this is great because if you're doing like what we're doing is staying just one night and you arrive a little early for your flight, but you really don't have time to venture out into Miami or, go into the city, this is a great way to get out of your room, to be outside, to soak in the views and relax a little bit without having to leave the hotel. So definitely a great vibe. Of course, there's Wi-Fi here. So if you got to get a little work done, just come up to the rooftop and sit at one of the tables or in one of the cabana seats and definitely get that relaxation and work in at the same time. All right, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Again, I don't normally talk over room tours, so I do appreciate you coming along while I give you my opinion and the background on this particular stay. Now, if you would like to stay here before your cruise trip, I can book your cruise. I can book your hotel stay. So definitely hit me up. There's a link in the bio, or you can email me at the email listed here. And become a traveler. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and stay tuned because I will be posting some vlogs from that cruise, from this trip. So thanks for watching.